music. This is a real rapper's theme music. Bitch, sing to it. This how you cook up so dope with no powder. Don't turn on that stove, just turn this shit up louder. Black Eddie Bauer, mask on my face like I'm ready to take what is yours cause it's ours. Y'all stole my style, I shit on you like bowels and take all your princesses, bitch, I am proud. Fuck superpowers, I got this weed. Gun on my hip, dog, that's all that I need. I don't play games, man, I'm not in no league. And I don't drop no names, but bitch, I am from Cleveland. Let the damn, someone tell Britney we did it again. I heard Pooh Gutter acquitted again. Ain't my bank account holding 6 digits again. Pull out some hand, this for the ones who ain't make it. This for the ones who ain't make it. Focus your lens, point it at me and see greatness. Point it at me and see greatness. Ray need a Benz, Dub need a all-black Mercedes. Tezo need all white, he racist. But homie, I'm saying, I need a penthouse that's vacant. A-rap money, salam alaikum, the beast is awakened. Pick up your shotty, my bitch is a murderer. She got a body, she got that brain. Summa cum laude, my city the jungle. Don't take that safari, it's lions, it's tigers. Gangster disciples, lords, Judas is shanks and them rifles. Whores who swear that they live by the Bible. When friends who think they deserve more than entitled. And that's why
Chili disc golf is great for beginners like me. Oh my god. Chile Disc Golf Club has the best putters in Estonia.
It's just another Monday. But don't make me ill. Life can't just be fun, babe. Yeah, really, that's your deal. So you staying here, there. I won't be home too late. Addicted to pleasure. Gonna do not day, not day. Yes, I'm too hard to handle it. I'm too hard to handle. I'm too hard to handle it. Yes, I'm too hard to handle. Blame it on the moonlight. Just blame it on my youth. I blame it on the stars. That's my only truth.
First thing I need to say, it's a very physical course.
Yeah, definitely.
First time playing it, it's physical.
Yeah, it's a hard one. The one with the T-pad on the water. You need to feel the rhythm.
So that's a good choice.
Maybe the downhill.
I'd say hole number 8.
8 is tough.
It's tough. Like you have to have your first shot good, second shot, and then you have to reach it to birdie.
Yeah.
Above.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, you can't say a
Yeah.
bad word about Chile
No,
Disc Golf.
no way.
We love it.
Yeah.
And now this is the second time I experience Chile Disc Golf event, so
Yeah.
it's even getting better all the time.
My first one, but hope not the last one.
Yeah.
I wish
Yeah.
we would have things like this in Finland.
Yeah.
We don't.
It's like truly group, almost kind of family. In Finland, we don't have anything like that. So
I think here it's all about the atmosphere and people, and then there's a good party and all the other things we do,
Yeah.
like playing cornhole, poker, partying,
Sakku.
supping. Yeah, supping
Some
was
football, that was fun.
1 hour in the water today was took me out.
erase. I can hear your whispers in my mind.
Chile Disc Golf Club has the best disc golfers in Estonia. Cut!